Good evening, traders. And today I'm here with the low risk trading strategy. And if you don't have my indicator that is called the market turning points indicator, then you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram or contacting through email. Okay, so this is the best indicator that we have created. And if you want to use this indicator, first of all, it's important that you have to go through the liquidity course in the name of advanced trading course that is available in my YouTube playlist, and this is completely free. So when you will get that indicator, so plus when you will combine it with the liquidity knowledge, you will get excellent results. And today also on Telegram I have shared the results, and that this is going very fantastic. Okay, as you can see that we have the drop on gold today, so this is exactly from the market turning point. So when you will combine it with the liquidity factor, then you will simply love the results. Okay, and the second one, euro US Great Britain pound USD is going down after the liquidity hunt and the selling opportunities information. Euro USD, it's going down. Okay, but let's see the level. Yes, it's basically rejected from the top one. Okay, so all levels are not for trading. So basically, this is the real time indicator that prints the level into the real time, like USD CHF real time. Let's go to the euro, like this is the buy opportunity. Okay, so after the sell opportunity, the level was created into the real time. Okay, let's go to the AUDJPY. Okay, not this one. Okay, now this is not a valid selling level anymore, because the price is now real time. It made a buy opportunity, and you can see price is up. So this is the fantastic indicator that you can even use into the Indian markets, forex, crypto, stock, whatever you trade. You will love that indicator. Like real time, that level was printed the buy opportunity on US 30 and US 100. You can see real time, and now the price looks like that it is going to the target, the top selling level here. Okay, so this is the a beginner's version. Like even the Bitcoin move, if you just look at here, 119,100, my indicator pointed up by, and you can see Bitcoin is way up. Okay, so this is the indicator that works into the real time. All levels are not for trading, because you have to do the liquidity course that is in the name of advanced trading course that is available for free on YouTube playlist, so you can watch them. Okay, my second indicator is the basically the failed liquidity scalper. So this is 90% accurate. Okay, so with any problems, this is 90% accurate. So these are not the buy signals that you see, that these are the green triangles means this is the buy. No, this is not a buy. So basically, when any signal get rejected, like if the price breaks below the signal candle, like this candle breaks below, so it's a sell for us. Okay, then it breaks this low, you can see another sell. Okay, so basically we sell because this indicator is the failed liquidity scalper, but this is the very expensive indicator. This is not for everyone. Like another liquidity is failed, so keep on selling. And right now, if you just look at the price, so what happened on gold 5 minute, 3 minute, you can see the price broke above the high of the signal candle. So right now my buy setup is already running. So where would be our stop loss? We can simply close our trade somewhere here when we find 3 to 4 negative candles. Otherwise we can simply stay into that trade with no problem. So this is the best indicator, but again, this is very expensive, and this works on everything like euro USD. Look, this is the signal failure. You can sell from here. This is another failure, liquidity failure. You can sell from here. So where like this is if the price will break above the high, you can see, you can buy, you can add more one position from here. You can see the price is up, and there is no repainting, nothing blah blah in that indicator. So the market turning points indicator is a good indicator, very good indicator, but it's not very expensive. It has a very normal rate. But when you talk about the fair liquidity setup indicator, this is something else. This provides you the 90% win rate, and I can show you before you get this indicator. Like for example, if we talk about the US 30, this is the signal candle. The price breaks above, so this was the buy. Okay, now I can take you again back to the gold 3 minute chart. You can see what's happening. As I told you, my trade is running. So basically this trade, this candle break above that level, and now you can see the price is up. So if you want to book the lifetime version of these indicators, contact on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video.